Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial 7 in our series, How to Build Website with HTML and CSS. In the last series, I exposed you to how to link one page on a website to another page. And in today's lesson, I'm going to show you a special effect of a link, on a web page. Let's view this Google home page, for example, this Google page. I want you to notice what happened if I mouse over this file, for example, this file. If I mouse over this file, you will notice a box pop up which says View Site Information. Can you see that? View Site Information. A box pop up which says View Site Information. Now let me move to this icon here. View Site Information also. Now let me move to this arrow here. Reload this page. You can see there is a pop-up in the box which says reload this page. Now let me go to this arrow here. Click to go back, hold to see history. You can see all these icons carry some information once you mouse over them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this special effect of link with this video. Now let me show you how to do that. It's a very simple thing to do. All you have to do, for example, we have a link here already. We started it in the last video. We have a link here already. So I'm going to show you the attribute you're going to add to this link that will create those effects. Now, take for example, this is a link of how to make the tool. It's going to take us from the first page to the second page. Okay. Now, let me show you what information do you want your viewers to get when they mouse over this how to make the tool. Once they bring their mouse over this how to make the tool, there is an additional information you want them to get. That information, you can put it in this href continuation. Here you just come here and press enter, create a space, and then you write title, and then you write equal to, and then inverted comma. Then now the information that you want to appear in that pop-up box is what you're going to write now. For example, let's write detour production, and then you close the comma, and that's all. Detour production. This is the information that you want your viewer to get as soon as they mouse over that how to make detour production. Now let's save and refresh. Now let's refresh to see what we have done. Okay, now let's see what we have done as we bring our mouse over this how to make detour. Can you see that? Detour production. Can you see that? Detour production. As soon as you mouse over, a box pop up telling you detour production. Now let's change it. Let me show you. Maybe we want to change it from detour production to let's say learn how to make detour on this page. Okay, very long one. Learn how to make detour on this page. Now this is what will come up in the pop-up box. I've changed it now to learn how to make detour on this page. Now let's save and refresh to see what we've done. Now let's refresh. Can you see that? Learn how to make detour on this page. Can you see that? Learn how to make detour on this page. So these are special effects that are very important on a web page. It gives a lot of information to viewers on your web page. Once people come on that link, they get additional information of where they are going to or what they're about to do, which is very important. So this is how to do it. If you have any problem in getting or understanding this, please let me know by making comments below this video, and I'll be glad to put you through. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to make effects on a link, how you can create an effect on a link. Usually when you mouse on a link, it brings out a pop-up which gives you more information about the link. And that in the last tutorial we learned how to do that. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two things. Number one is how to bring an image to your website, and number two, how to make that image a link. So first and foremost, the first thing you will do before you can bring an image to your website is to first pick that image from wherever it is, copy it and bring it to the folder where your index files are stored. So first, let's look for an image. Let's look for a good image, maybe something like maybe educational. Let me pick these books. Let's copy it. First, we need to understand the property of this image. Let's go to property. The property. Let's get the property of the image. The name of the image is educational material 5, and the file is JPG. JPG. We're interested in the file format, that is JPG. So let's know the file format JPG. So let's copy it, and then I'm going to take it to the folder. This is the folder where my index files are stored, and I'll paste it here. I'm going to change this name to maybe, let me change it to logo. Let me change the name to logo. Now I've changed the name to logo, and the file format, you can see the file format is JPG. JPG. And take note of that. The file format is JPG. Okay, now let's go back to our designing website. Okay, now we're going to create a code that will bring this image to the website. So first you write this IMG, that is the symbol for image. Then now we're going to include an attribute here called SRC. I believe that means source. SRC, then equal to, then we're going to write the name of that image and the format, the file format. The name of that image is logo. The file format is JPG. And all this will be in an inverted comma, open and close, and then you close all. So this is the tag for written image. Now let's save and refresh. You can see the image is on our desktop. The image is on the desktop. It has come to the desktop. The image is on the desktop. So we have brought the image to our desktop. It's as simple as less than sign, the IMG, and then space SRC equal to sign, then invited, comma, open and close, then the name of the image and the format in this way, then greater than sign, and then your image will appear on your website. Now, just like I said earlier, I said we're going to make this image a link. We want to make it a link such that when you mouse over this image, it should be able to get you to a link. It should be able to get you to a link. So let's make this image a link. Now, to make this image a link, this is what you will do. You will now include the link tag in this way. Okay, now this is the link tag. I've just included link tag, but inside this link tag, the first one, we will include another attribute called the href. I believe you remember href equal to, and now you're going to add where do you want this link to go, where do you want this image link to take you to. You're going to add it to it. And now maybe we should add http google.com. google.com. http, sorry, let's / here, then google.com. Now we have added a link to it. We have made this image a link. Now let's see if it's going to work. All right, now let's save and refresh. Okay, all right, as you can see, it shows that this image is a link. When you mouse over it, it turns into a hand. That means that this image is a link. Now let's click on it. Now we are on google.com page. It means that our tag has worked. So that image has been turned into a link. So that is how you turn an image into a link. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.